Someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 9th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up. Low 50s today, upper 50s tomorrow, and rain as the weekend begins. Let's take a look at the picture, the big picture this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. New trough out there across the middle of the nation, producing some icing problems. Really not that far away, but that initial wave will not affect us. And boy, those numbers are much more reasonable as we start the day. No single digits, no teens. Birmingham at 29 will expect low 50s today and upper 50s tomorrow. Sounds pretty good. Around the nation, still really cold up north. I don't know when our friends up in northern Minnesota, like Duluth and International Falls, I don't know the last time they were above zero. It's been a long time. It has been a harsh winter up there. But thankfully, we have the moderating trend going on down here. That was a regional radar at 4:30 this morning, and you can see that light rain and freezing rain west of the state over parts of North Mississippi, Arkansas, West Tennessee, the Mid-South. But again, all of that should stay north and west of here. We don't expect any rain today or tonight. Winter weather advisories over there for places like Memphis, Little Rock, Tulsa, and St. Louis. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts of at least 1 inch likely here. In some spots, maybe getting up to 2 inches, especially down in South Alabama. And almost all of that will come from late tomorrow night until midday Saturday. And that's the freezing rain potential through tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see the better chance of any icing will stay north of here. Check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the 06E run at noon today. You can see a couple of waves off to the west, one over the southern plains, one over Idaho and Montana, and the lead wave, again, squeezing out that light rain to the west of here. For Alabama today, we'll expect a mixture of clouds and sunshine with low 50s. Tomorrow, southerly winds kick in. I would say the sky will be mostly cloudy. Probably becoming breezy during the day. The high in the mid to upper 50s. Both models, the GFS, the NAM, are at 57. And I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower during the day, but I think most places will stay dry. But you can see rain off to the west, and here comes that rain in here early Saturday. This is Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. The surface low is awfully far north. That thing is over the UP of Michigan with a trailing band of showers and probably some thunder. And then this is noon on Saturday, and it's moving out. And I think our ongoing ID is correct. The main window for rain, midnight tomorrow night until noon Saturday. Rain amounts of at least 1 inch, maybe more in spots. And this is the instability Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, and there's just not much. There could be some thunder, but certainly no severe weather. And the good news, Sunday still looks very, very nice. We'll start the day in the 30s. The high Sunday afternoon should be in the upper 50s. Wow, we can get outside and enjoy the sun and some comfortable temperatures. That'll be fantastic. This is Monday. We are still dry. A little colder just north of here. I'd say highs in the upper 50s. Here's Tuesday. We stay rain-free with a good deal of sunshine. Wednesday, another trough forms north of us, and that's pulling down some colder air, but the latest guidance really shunting this colder air north and east of here. It's going to be colder, but nothing like what we had here the last couple of days. Highs Wednesday could dip into the upper 40s, and we'll probably see lows early Wednesday and Thursday morning in the upper 20s. And this is Thursday, and we're dry. And you can see another shot of cold air coming down the pike, and this is out there at the end of next week. This is Friday the 17th, another trough and more colder air. And again, these cold shots, nothing like what we just experienced, but that will push temperatures down when they come in here from time to time. This is the end of the forecast, January 24th, more of a zonal flow, and down below that, the weather looks, I'd say, seasonal. And seasonal for us this time of the year would be highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. There's the Arctic Oscillation coming off the GFS ensembles, and you can see how the AO wants to be positive out there later in the month. And when the Arctic Oscillation goes positive, it tends to kind of shut down the ability for that really cold air to drop south from the Arctic region up there. So, again, the signs are maybe the last 10 days of January. Around here, temperatures just won't be that bad. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.